Start from the bottom part of the candle, making a 6 single crochet magic ring. Six single crochet, pull the yarn to close the circle, and start the row number 2. On the row number 2 you have to make one increase around, one single crochet increase around. To make an increase is to make 2 single crochet in the same space. So repeat 6 increases, finishing with 12 stitches. Row number 3, you have to make one single crochet and one increase. And repeating around, finishing with 18 stitches, one single crochet and one increase. Row number 4, 2 single crochet and one increase. Repeating around, finishing with 24 stitches, 2 single crochet and one increase. Row number 5, 3 single crochet and one increase. Repeating around, finishing with 30 stitches, 3 single crochet and one increase. Now on the row number 6 you have to make one single crochet in all the single crochet, but taking only the back loops. One single crochet on each single crochet, taking the back loops. Now from the rows 7 to the row 16 you have to make one single crochet in all the stitches, 30 single crochet from the row 7 to the row 16. Now you have to place the safety eyes between the rows 9 and 10 with 7 stitches of separation. Now row number 17, taking only the back loops, also you have to make 3 single crochet and one decrease. Finishing with 24 stitches. Repeat 6 times 3 single crochet and one decrease, taking only the back loops. Row number 18, you have to repeat to the end 2 single crochet and one decrease, finishing with 18 stitches. you have to stuff the part of the body of the candle. Row number 19, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, repeating around, finishing with 12 stitches, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Finish with 6 decreases on the row number 20 and you can fasten off. Here you can see a tip how you can finish this part of the body that will help you to stay up the candle. Now start the white part, making also a 6 single crochet magic ring, on the row number 2 you have to make 1 increase around, finishing with 12 stitches. Row number 3, 1 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, finishing with 18 stitches. Row number 4, 2 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, finishing with 24 stitches. Row number 5, 3 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, finishing with 30 stitches. Row number 6, 4 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, finishing with 36 stitches. Now start making the melted part of the candle with 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double treble crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 3 single crochet. You have to make a slip stitch, and you can sew the melted part of the candle on the top of the color part that you made. To make the flame, you have to start with a 6 single crochet magic ring. On the row number 2, you have to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, finishing with 9 stitches. Row number 3 and 4, 1 single crochet around, finishing with 9 stitches. Row number 5, 2 single crochet and 1 increase, repeating around, finishing with 12 stitches. Row number 6, 1 single crochet around, 12 single crochet. And on the row number 7, you have to make 6 decreases. Once you finish the 6 decreases, you have to make a chain 1 and cut, leaving a long tail for sewing. Now you have to sew the flame on the top part of the candle. And with a black piece of yarn you have to make the detail on the flame. And in my case I used a red marker to make a detail, to make a more realistic detail. And you finished your candles.